What's up, traders? It's Mark here at DynoTrading. Let's get right into it, man. What a day, right? Look at this. 11:30 a.m. Volume indicator turned red, and that was it the entire day. Okay, so this has been happening 2 days in a row. I told you yesterday this is happening on a daily basis, people. I don't know what's gotten into the market. I'll be honest with you folks, all right? Even I couldn't believe how the chart looked like today. Even me. And I'm the inventor of this volume indicator, right? Volume indicator is this color band, by the way, right? This green and red color band. As opposed to what other traders are doing, which is looking at their indicator garbage BS charts, right? Stochastics, Bollinger Bands, all this nonsense. Ugly, terrible. How do you even make any decisions? Okay? But I wanted to do this quick video for you guys, man, especially for those of you guys that trade the Emini futures. It's a great market to trade. I think what all of you guys out there should do, in my opinion, especially for those of you that trade Forex or stocks or even crypto, you got to take a look at the futures markets, man. There's so many advantages. The leverage is fantastic. You pay less in taxes than you would if you're trading stocks. I mean, there's a million reasons to get involved with trading the Emini futures, okay? But by far, and I mean by like 1,000 to 1, you can't beat volume as your primary indicator. I mean, I challenge anybody to stack up your Bollinger Bands against my volume. This is from today, man, right? And look, I'm going to be honest with you guys, man. I was kind of speechless when I saw this chart today. I almost fell out of my chair. In fact, if I didn't just buy a new office chair like 2 days ago, I probably would have fallen out of my chair today when I saw this chart. Folks, this is like a work of art. I mean, when you have the right indicator, you'll know you have the right indicator, right? Things just will make sense to you. Things will become clean and obvious, and it's a very straightforward trading system. S&P Emini futures, I've kind of bashed it previously. I've kind of made fun of the S&P Eminis, but I don't know what's gotten into this market, man, but I really, really like it. So there you go, folks. For everyone that asked, how did the charts look today on the S&P Eminis? Here you go. From the open to the close, it was just a straight sell-off. And the last thing I'm going to close out this video with, guys, is for all you guys that struggle at getting out of a trade too soon, okay? How many of you are guilty of that? I think we're all been guilty of that at some point in our trading career. And I have to keep hammering this point home to a lot of my customers. Sometimes you just have to trust the color, right? If the color is staying red, you're going to be staying in your position. There's no reason at all to get out too soon, too early, right? All these coulda, woulda, shoulda games that a lot of you guys play. And look, that's part of learning how to trade the Emini futures, right? You got to learn what's working, and more importantly, when you find something that works, you got to go pedal to the metal, okay? So one of the more valuable features of this volume indicator is the ability to keep you in the entire length of a trend. And you don't know for sure, right? You don't know in advance if this trend was going to be an absolute monster like it was today. Nobody knows, right? But once again, folks, you stack it up side by side. Here's where a lot of the amateurs and the retail traders and the losing traders are using, right? And here is what the professionals are using. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.